Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how you can delete multiple files at once on your Google Drive account, for example, on your Android. So let us get started. Access the Google Drive app on your Android phone. And what you want to do, guys, here on your home screen, or if you head over to the folder screen, it works actually the same way, is you may simply start by tapping on the first file or folder or item you'd like to delete. So tap on it, hold your finger on it. After that, you see that checkmark icon here to the right, which means that the given item has been selected. Now to bulk select multiple files, simply tap on that checkmark icon here to the right to select as many files as you like to delete them all at once. So let me go, for example, with that one here and with that one as well. And once you have made your selection, simply confirm the deletion by tapping on the trash icon here in the top right to move the given files or items to the trash folder. Alternatively, you may unselect this selection by tapping on that X icon top left to unselect these files all at once. And that's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.